I just got an email from a wedding we finished saying how much they love their invitations, how happy they are. You never get those emails as an attorney. I'm Violet Warner. I'm the owner of Violet Press. I started doing letterpress as sort of a creative distraction from the stress of my job. 5 years ago, I was practicing law in downtown Chicago. Now I am the business owner of a small creative business. You can't describe just how thrilling that feels to know that you can do something you love every day. Life before Zoho was a lot more time consuming. 1 minute I'm a salesperson, the next minute I'm marketing, the next minute I'm creative, production, manufacturing, packaging, shipping. Before I found Zoho, I was definitely using a hodgepodge of different things. When wholesale orders would come in, I would take hours just to put them in the different software programs. There's not a lot out there, or really anything out there, for micro businesses to handle that back-end process until we found Zoho. To finally find that was like, oh my God, this is exactly what I've been looking for. I can put the customer in there in the CRM. Then they're in books when I want to send them an invoice. They're in inventory when I want to do a sales order. I felt really stuck at some point where I just felt like all my time was going toward fulfilling the orders I was getting in. So to get some of that time back to grow the business is like invaluable, really.